Welcome to our tutorial on how to send multiple photos in a Facebook chat on your PC using the latest update. Let's walk through the simple steps together. Step 1. Start by opening facebook.com in your web browser. Step 2. Next, click on the messenger icon located at the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Open any chat on Facebook where you wish to share multiple photos. Step 4. Look for the photo and video icon at the bottom of the chat window, positioned next to the text box. If you don't see these options, simply tap the plus symbol next to the text box. Step 5. Select the photos you want to share and click Open. Step 6. Now, write any message you'd like to include, then click Send or press Enter to send the photos along with your message. By following these steps, you can easily share multiple photos in a Facebook chat on your PC. Enhance your conversations by adding visuals to make your messages more engaging and expressive. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.